AI-proof careers, jobs safe from automation. In an age increasingly defined by artificial intelligence and automation, many workers are understandably concerned about job security. While many sectors may face disruption, certain careers stand resilient against the tides of technology. These professions not only leverage uniquely human skills, but also adapt to evolving demands, ensuring their place in the workforce. One prominent area is healthcare, where the human touch is irreplaceable. Jobs such as nurses, therapists, and doctors rely on empathy, critical thinking, and interpersonal communication. Healthcare professionals provide comfort and understanding, skills that machines cannot replicate. As populations age and demand for personalized care rises, these roles remain critical, even in an evolving technological landscape. Another domain resistant to automation is education. Teachers play an essential role in shaping minds, fostering creativity, and nurturing social skills. While online learning experiences enhance education access, the guidance and support a dedicated teacher offers cannot be automated. With the rise of new subjects and teaching methodologies, educators who adapt will continue to thrive in a tech-infused learning environment. Creative fields also offer promising job security against automation. Careers in art, writing, music, and design rely heavily on creativity and emotional depth. While AI can generate content or mimic styles, the unique perspectives and experiences humans bring to creative endeavors are truly unmatched. As audiences seek genuine expressions of creativity, those in these fields will find a steady demand for their work, irrespective of technological advances. The trades cannot be ignored either. Skilled laborers such as electricians, plumbers, and carpenters possess specialized skills that require hands-on expertise and problem-solving capabilities. These roles often involve complex, bespoke tasks best suited to human intuition. With the continued need for maintenance and construction, trade careers present a promising future unthreatened by automation. Finally, roles in social services and community building epitomize careers that nurture human connection and support. Social workers and counselors help individuals navigate emotional challenges and life transitions, relying on compassion and understanding. Automation simply can't replicate the comfort of human interaction and the unique nuances involved in these professions. Armed with adaptability and creativity, individuals can follow career paths with longevity and fulfillment, ensuring their professional futures remain safe from the reach of automation.